Taking their places in the famous Nuremberg courtroom, judges of the Allied Military Tribunal begin the trial of minor war criminals. In the dock, once occupied by their leaders, are 23 Nazi doctors accused of many crimes in hospitals, concentration camps, and research centers. Number one defendant is Karl Brandt, formerly Hitler's personal physician and a general in the Waffen-SS. Next in importance is Siegfried Handlöser, a former medical chief of the Wehrmacht. Hertha Oberhauser, the only woman defendant, was a physician in the notorious camp at Ravensbrück. All the accused pleaded not guilty, but time and evidence alone will decide their future.